What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are going to unbox the Rentec tune for my Mercedes CLS 63 SAMG. It's a beast. Here you guys go. We're gonna unbox it, man. We just got this out Rentec a couple days ago, too long ago. They give us a little Rentec pouch, a little handheld tuner guide packet. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to use this thing here. Here's the tuner. Here it is here. I'm gonna show you guys where to plug this in at. Hang on, let me get my box. Stop slipping around in the car. All right, anyhow, here's the tuner. Right now, this button here is in stock. Click it down for tune. The red light, when you put it in, the red light busy will come on over here. When it's done, the green will come on. Now you're gonna take this, show you guys the car for a second, let y'all know it's 700 horses in it now. AMG 63, it's a dog. Facelift, it's the real deal. And of course, you know I got the guts. You know them guts are red. I like the guts to be red. You know, that's how I like it to be. Make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, here's the tuner. Then we're gonna put it in right here, underneath the steering column. There's if you can see this here, there's a little cover right there. You plug the tuner in right up there. Boop. First thing you want to do though, before you do that, you guys want to put, since you guys got push starts probably as well, you want to touch this here. Tap it once. Tap your push start once. That's going to put you in the first key start position. Not car on, just tap it. Not the foot on the brake, anything. Just almost as if your key was in the first position without your car on, but you can still hear the radio type of deal. So I'm going to tap this once. It's going to, boop, turn the car on. Turned it on. Did you hear that? Ding. Now I'm going to put the tuner in. Boom. Actually. So I put the tuner in for about maybe, it was about maybe a minute. And then that light turned, it went from red, it started out red, and then it went to green in about a minute. I had it down on tune the whole time, and once it turned green, it was good to go. I took it out, and I hit this button here to turn it off, and then I started up the car. And that's how quick and easy you can have your tune ready to run on your Mercedes. Pretty much that easy. Just hit subscribe if that helped you guys. Go ahead and subscribe for me. Let me make sure I don't get the plate in it too much. But that's the real deal here. It's next level. It's just, the car has so many buttons. It's really nice. I'm gonna have to do another review on it. Cause I'm talking paddle shifters, you name it, it has it. Every AMG button, suspension control, steering, electronic steering, comfort, sport plus, manual, race start. That's what all these are right here, all the different modes you can go into. Car's ridiculous. But anyhow, there you all have it. That's how you put the tune in. Oh yeah, the tune cost me about $3,000 was the tune. Gives you about 100 horsepower, give or take some. It does make it a little bit louder. It makes it a lot faster, almost like a new car. It's unbelievable. It's well worth it. You guys make sure you guys go out, get you a tune. If you get your Mercedes CLS 63, you get you any type of AMG product. Rentec is the one that's certified with Mercedes to give you a tune. Keeps your factory warranty good as well. Things like that you want to make sure, and that's why we pay so much for the right product, to make sure we get the right stuff for the car. You don't buy a car like this and then cheap out and go buy a handheld tuner for, $500, $300. Just probably not the smart thing to do, especially if you're still under warranty and stuff. So if you got something new. So just want to show you guys, the dog is up and running. I'll be doing some more videos, so make sure you guys subscribe. Hit subscribe and link up. Later.